Get ready to have a ball, literally, because I'm making chocolate peanut butter protein balls. They are so delicious and really easy to pull together, and they're perfect for a mid-afternoon sweet tooth attack. Are you ready? I am. Let's get started. Add the following to a food processor: almonds, peanut butter powder, cacao powder, protein powder, and of course, lots and lots of cinnamon. Then give that a whirl. Once those ingredients are combined, add in the dates that you've pre-soaked in warm water for about 5 minutes. Then give it another whirl until your ingredients have combined. Add in hemp seeds, whirl. Add in cacao nibs, whirl. Then let the ball rolling begin. Get ready to get your hands a little dirty. Grab a bit of the mix and roll it into a ball. You can make them as big or as small as you like. That's all there is to it. Now you just pop these into your fridge or your freezer and you've got a delicious snack to satisfy your sweet tooth. I hope you give these a try. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.